So this is an Artago secure. I guess I got it off of Amazon. It says it's an urban rec-70, which just means it's a 70mm rectangular lock. First off, if I can get back there and get it right. There we go. This lock can be bypassed. It doesn't have a strong spring in it at all. It can be raked open. Sorry, I'm trying to get this to where it stays in focus. And let's see if this works. Yep, it can be jiggled open. This thing is a 4-pin lock, but 2 of them are 0 lift, so you don't even have to lift them up. So, I mean, yeah, I don't even really think I'm gonna waste the time to pick it, because all you have to do is hit 2 and 1, and they're all they're just standard pins. So, but yeah, that's the Artago Secure.